Hi, it's Chris and Dave with CNH Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today we did a rough country update to a Ford F-150 that Dave did the installation. So we're going to go over that right now. So let's come over and take a look at the work that Dave's done on this Ford F-150. And Dave's going to tell you some of the great stuff he's updated on this with this rough country suspension. So Dave, tell everybody, by the way, this truck here belongs to Paula. She's in our South Florida Truck Club. And we do appreciate members of the South Florida Truck Club joining us and doing different things and letting us work on the truck. So go ahead, Dave. Let's go over some of the stuff you've done.
All right, so she had bought the truck from a dealership and it already had a lift installed. So that might apply to some of you guys, or you did a lift a couple years ago. And as you can see, this is the basic, what rough country does. This is your factory strut, and then there's this big spacer that they put on there. The reason they do this is it keeps the cost down. But she was becoming due with mileage for to replace the struts. You can see these are kind of starting to seep and they needed to get fixed. So if you have this, one of your options is a lifted strut, and Rough Country also sells it. If you're buying a brand new kit from them directly, you can buy the strut over getting this spacer. And we'll take a look in the wheel well and you can see this strut eliminates the need for that spacer. It is a full 6-inch lifted strut. All nice and new spring, and then this is their new N3. This rides a lot better than anything they've had in the past. It's a little bit bigger diameter. It's got different valving in there. It keeps the ride real cushy. It's not going to give you a real harsh ride. So for somebody like her, or if you already have a lift kit, this is a way to update it. Now, what she did, and it's not required to do, we'll call this a 6+2. Because she went with this, we put a, you can't really see it, but up on top here is a 2-inch rough country spacer for a leveling kit. That technically would give her 8 inches of lift up front. It's a little less, but technically it's at 8 inches. But if you guys have a lift kit and you need the you want to update to this setup, this is a lot better setup than that. That's for the budget minded. You've had your lift for a while. It's time for that shock replacement, strut replacement. This is the way to go. It's pretty easy. Rough Country prices these out $329 for a set. And it doesn't matter if you have a 4 or 6, they keep the price the same. So that's the best part. It's very affordable to do it. We can do all the work here. She also replaced her rear shocks on the truck because she had the original Rough Country and non-N3 shocks. So now she has brand new match shocks in the rear. These are $89 a set. Not a real expensive investment, but now it's all matched. She can take a note of the miles, and basically now a shock is designed 50 to 75,000 miles. Always something when we're doing a video. But 50 to 75,000 miles, you guys should be looking to replace shocks or struts on a truck. You don't realize how bad your ride is until you put new shocks and struts on and you kind of wake up and go, oh wow. But the other thing I wanted to show you, we'll walk back out here, is people have questions. What's the difference? So these trucks, that's a 2011, 2012, but basically identical, both EcoBoost, both 4-wheel drives. This one is a 3-inch level, which is the biggest level you can put on these trucks. It's actually kind of pushing it on this truck. My own personal truck, I would never send a customer's truck out with this. You guys would get a 2.5. 3-inch was a test for me, but this is 3-inch. This is 6 plus those 2-inch spacers. And if you look at the height difference, that's what you're gonna get. So this is a lot more budget friendly, a lot cheaper. These are 33s, these are 35s. 3-inch, 6-inch plus those 2-inch spacers. And that's only gonna change it a little bit, but for you guys that need to see what's the difference, should I really buy that lift or not? Some of the other differences, fits in a car wash, will not fit through a car wash. If that matters to you, that's what you look at. But we can, we can do that different work and kind of give you the look you want, but it's nice having two identical trucks, minus the color, next to each other. And even next to Chris's truck over here, now that's a 6-inch Rough Country. And you can see the Ford is a little bit taller, but that's a 6-inch on a 2-wheel drive. So it kind of gives you guys a nice comparison to look at. What am I getting if I'm buying one of these lift kits, if I have one of these trucks? And GM would be the same way. We just don't have a GM truck right here. But I wanted you to see side by side a 6 and a 3-inch level. And now the gray one has the level in the back. This one has the rough country lift in the back. Now, if she wanted to bring the back up, she can get an out-of-leaf kit to bring the rear end back up if she's towing or something like that. But this is why in our videos, you'll hear me and Chris say, call the store, come see us, ask questions. We can come up with a solution. If you already have a lift kit, it might be time to freshen up some parts. We can take care of that here. We can get you the new parts or upgrade your lift to that next stage. You know, they might call that a stage 1. Now she's on a stage 2. Or rough country got into coilovers now with the Vertex system. So if she wanted to, she could have upgraded all the way to coilover. So if your truck has been lifted for a while and it's due for a refresh, call me or Chris at the store, talk to us, come visit us at the store. We can show you what's going to work for your truck, kind of give you a right idea which way you should go or what's going to really freshen up the truck, because that's 177,000 miles, but it's going to have a brand new factory like ride, and that's the biggest thing.
Now, if you like our videos, we really appreciate when you hit that like button, and it's very important if you can subscribe to our channel. As you know, we've been talking about getting to that 1,000 subscribers, and we're getting real close, but we still need your help. Also, you'll notice there's going to be a link at the bottom of the page. The parts we put on this vehicle will be right there, so you can click on it. It'll show you if you want to make a purchase from us. It's right there. Of course, you can always come into our showroom. We have a brick and mortar store. A lot of times you see a video and some guys just have a garage. We have a full working business, so if you order online or come to us, we'll take good care of you. Anything else, Dave, you want to add?
No, I think it's a good way just for people to visualize and realize that it's not just doing a lift, it's also regular maintenance on the vehicle. But you can't go to AutoZone and get those parts. You need to come to somebody like us to get those lifted struts.
Yeah, do it right, come to us. Thank you again. This is C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. I'm Chris, and this is Dave. Thank you.